Welcome to lesson 21. In this lesson, we will design the department form which allows users to manage department information in the teachers management system. The department form allows users to enter department details, view existing departments, and perform CRUD operations. Since departments have fewer fields, this form is simpler but equally important. To build the department form, we need a text box for the department name and a drop-down list to select the head of department. We also include save, update, delete and clear buttons for CRUD operations. A grid view is used to display all departments. It allows users to select a record for editing and supports features like paging and sorting. You can auto-generate columns or customize them. A clean layout places form fields at the top, action buttons in the middle, and the grid view at the bottom. This structure keeps the form organized and easy to use. To populate the head of the department drop-down, load the teacher list from the BLL and bind it on page load. Use teacher ID as the value field and teacher's full name as the display text. Design your form with usability in mind. Use labels for clarity, align controls neatly, group related fields, and provide validation messages to guide the user. Styling enhances the user experience. Use CSS for spacing and alignment. Apply consistent fonts. Highlight important buttons and keep the design simple and clean. In summary, the department form UI is now designed with all necessary fields and controls. In the next lesson, we will implement CRUD operations for departments. If you have questions about designing the department form or want help arranging your UI, let us go through them now.